Generator smoke don't kill 4 men. No, this one happen inside Delta State. My people, how generator go take kill people? Because I dey still surprised for all this kind of thing where they happen. They talk say this man die of carbon monoxide poison, inside well. That is well where they fetch water on, and there these people die for. So this why this well they dried. So if like say they won't go work for the place, I be they won't go clean up this well. Now there 2 men, no be even 4, 2 men can't enter. As they enter, they can't go on this power generating set. And I know say this thing they always come out smoke. Now there they come on them, they inside say and they clean this thing. Now there then this man can't suffocate for. My people, this one not be ignorance like this. Because I know they understand. You know say this kind of place, ventilation no day, window no day for breeze to come outside for. Now can go on generator, make the smoke wey be say dey plenty, wey be say if you kill person, na come dey inside. In fact, if I talk to some people, they mumu. Some people they mumu well. MU, they write them inside their DNA before they burn them. Because I know they understand all these kind of things where they happen. You where you know say now your work be this, and you know say this kind of thing go kill person. You can't still enter, say, now this kind of work, you won't go they do. The one where can shock me, they say 2 other men, those ones can say, okay, they won't go rescue, then these 2 men will don't die inside. Now they themselves, Mumuli and Gogoli, they can't enter inside this place. They don't even cover their nose, cover themselves, they can't enter. Now this smoke self, can't catch themselves, can't kill them for. Hey, human beings, how will they think? How will they tell you our reason? How will they think? Because I don't understand. You see say this thing don't kill person. You will want go rescue the person, but you think say the smoke don't come out. I see why education good, Because if say then these people go school, they go know say this kind of thing, supposed happen. If say they go school, they go know say all this kind of thing, they supposed know the precautions and the measures they supposed take. At least they go know say, okay, this kind of thing, no space for here. They go know as they want to do one. But because of say all these men have been all this papa, they don't know anything. Now there they can't decide, say, them say they won't follow enter. Now can't see 4 people don't die. When I just die, free death. Because the cleaning of the way when I won't even go do I just in a not succeed in doing it. When I go just the risks on our life. See this one now, a hustle, the person go die on top of your hustle. You go the hustle now, your hustle now don't come kill you. Because you don't even learn your hustle well. If say you sit down, learn this thing where you go no say this kind of thing feel kill. Why people they ignorance like this? Because this one forget. This one no be generator kill these people. Now senselessness, now I kill them because if say they use their brain, if say these people get sense, all this kind of thing no go happen no. My people, I know say na self. When I see people where they do this kind, I don't see where they dig well. And I don't know if they take one, but I know say this generator, they dey inside. They dey inside because the smoke will go kill person. Ordinary, even some people say for normal house, if they go just on generator, say then the generator not even dey inside, it just dey outside. Where we say the smoke can't enter, they don't die. This one, na can't put them inside, can't dey inside. If I say some people no get sense, they go inside, they cause them. Because how you go take dey inside this kind of smoke now? Now what you want talk? Now rest in peace because we no fit talk anything past like that. Rest in peace to una. Now una kill on herself. Now ignorance. Now I kill on. He say now do the necessary things. This kind of thing no go even happen. And well, I don't know. They clean well because me I never even hear and reach you. When no be tank, no be water tank, no be swimming pool. What if I won't go clean inside the well? Why don't they say they go come on water by himself? Now then I can't decide say today now I won't go clean well. Can't go clean on herself. The 2 more people say can't follow and they can't go. Now one of my people, make we use our brain. Make we use our brain well because the way people they die, they even make sense. Some you go hear the reason of their death, you go they blame them, say, what you making and not even using our sense, do this kind of thing. My people now the things where they happen, make we they very careful, make we they watchful, make we not even go cause person death. Because this kind of men now, make not go beside themselves, they don't even know self, say, these 2 people don't die. Them say they can't decide, say, make themselves go enter, maybe now their own turn. Before them say they go see, now their own death, it don't come happen to. My people, make we dey careful, make we dey watchful. People where they work all this kind of work, make and take the right steps, the right measures to do all this kind of things. Make we not go to hear story that touches the heart, say, one man don't die, this auntie don't die. Because as it be now, then these 4 men, they don't go just like that. For simple reason wey be say they go fit even avoid. My people, na wetin I hear o, I come say make I bring am, make una sef hear wetin dey happen about this matter. Anything wey una feel, make una no forget to write am for the comment section. Make una no come forget to like or share and also subscribe to this channel. I will see you guys in the next video. Milan police don arrest one 34-year-old Ghanaian man because of say wetin this man kill him ex-girlfriend. Ex-girlfriend, no be real girlfriend, no be new girlfriend. This man get mind go kill him ex-girlfriend. This man wey they talk say him name na George Kerima, they talk say na Ghana man. Make una forgive me if I no pronounce am well. This man kill him Nigerian girlfriend wey her name na Blessing Tunde. They talk say they see this lady for around Green area for Milan district. So they see her for ground for the place. They talk say Blessing, Ashawo people they work for that place. Sex workers, Blessing on the other side. Now they stay. So now there they see this lady, but then they never even know wetin kill her. See as they go do autopsy, now there they see say they strangle this girl, with her braid, her weave on. I never hear this one since that time. Sef, as I hear this matter, I don't dey fear wig go. Wig, woman where they wear wig now, they fit use wig kill you. Now make everybody just go baba low cuts or go plate DD because this one now it don't turn to weapon for men to use. They kill human, no, making a day very careful. They say this man use this thing. They strangle this girl. I can't. Which kind of weave on be this kind of weave on? The weave on get iron. I be get rope for body. We say as they tie the woman neck, now the woman can't die. This thing surprised me. But her best friend now come outside now can't give us this story in total. She talk say she and her friend they talk. That is around 1 p.m. So they talk for phone. And this girl, two of them they talk well. But after that time, she not come they get to the talk to her friend again. Now there she come the wonders. What don't do this, my friend? Now there she can't go. Novara police station go report this matter. Say e be like say her friend don't miss, so say she no see this girl again. Before they go see, now there they can't see this her friend now for this area where they talk in a green area for where sex workers they stay. And the guy they talk as the matter be, the boyfriend now where they talk say him kill this girl. They say before they in a relationship, all this sweet lovey relationship now they do well. Say in fact the love sweet, but after a year they can't break up. So this one now, the thing don't even pass 1 year with a break up. But say this man go see they call this girl, they beg this girl, say he won't come back. But what thing can cause this breakup? They talk say this boy now over jealous lover. Say any smart in this boy don't vex. If you see this girl with boy, he don't vex. If you see her with man, he don't vex. What do you call it? You where they date a show. This woman go they always there with man. So what do they expect? Now you go see her with man, you go squeeze face, do face. They say now what thing happen? Now make this girl come talk say she know they date again. And all her friends know about this thing. Say, as this man, they even beg this woman to come back safe. Say, she even involved the friends. But as the friends no agree. Now, there, this man can't decide. Say, okay, the only way when go fit cure in broken heart. This kind of love is strong. So, the only way when go fit cure this broken heart now for him to kill this in girlfriend. But the thing we can't do then, I think kill this girlfriend. They thought say this girl don't even get belly. She did 4 months pregnant. Pregnant. She did 4 months pregnant. For who? Now, which kind of Ashawo? You know, say Ashawo people, they know you to get belly like that. So when they surprised, if you say this girl don't even find love, now make her decide say she won't leave this brother. But as she still they do this sex work, now I no can understand. You where you get belly 4 months, you still can't they do Ashawo work, and they talk say yes. So then the legit work where this girl they do. You leave your country, say an Ashawo work you won't go do. But as it be like this now, they don't come kill you. What do you want to go tell your family? Because I sure say some of all these people, their family know they even know work where they go this abroad country they go do. But this man now, what did they go kill him? I be waiting won't do. They won't kill him because all this whole jealousy matter. Boyfriend and girlfriend, any person where they for toxic relationship, leave that relationship, run before they go kill you. Because this one now, they don't come, see, they don't need knife again to kill you. As the matter be, they don't need knife, they don't need gun. Ordinary weapon, even if not synthetic, 2,000 naira, they just need to use a tie you for neck. You don't go, my sister. And some people, they go there inside this relationship, they don't go agree come out. Now make me know they even put, I know they like puma for love matter. They don't go agree come out, they go sit down there. Like say they don't tie their leg with charm, say, this relationship, now there you go die put. Now this one where they don't kill now. In fact, this one he even surprised me because she don't even leave the person. As she knows the person be say this kind of man, she don't go feed there with the person. Now make her decide, okay, I won't leave the person. But as the man can't be, the man don't go kill her. But you won't go marry Ashewo. You suppose don't they used to this kind of thing. You never even marry him. Now girlfriend, ex. So This girl don't move on. You stay there. This one, na psychopath. No be any jealousy. The man just dey obsessed. Maybe these girls are being knack well. Now I make and don't decide say, now here I go die put. And the girls have don't talk say, and she self, she don't want die on top of your teeth. Leave the girl alone now. As you don't go kill her now, your body don't come calm down. Now there you come to talk say, na devil. Devil go there in place. Now go just go they find devil trouble. They use them, they do bad things. As you don't kill them now, your body don't calm down. But as it be, now only God know the kind of judgment they go give because now no say all this kind of outside country, their own law, they had. And no kind of Ghana government now go come pull me and say, maybe they return them, or maybe they go leave them for there. Because me, I feel say this kind of man, they supposed to even kill him. Give him sentence for there because this kind of way you no good. The person don't leave you, you yourself leave and move on. Live your life. As you know, say this things if you pay, maybe this ashawo you pay for the first day. So what to make you know continue, go meet another ashawo, say, okay, this girl should do me shakara. Make her find another ashawo now. They no tie your thing on top. And in fact, you never even marry this girl. So as the matter be, I no see what they make you they jealous. For this whole matter will be say, you go on decide, say you won't go kill him. Men, under they fear me, and ladies self, in her own self, they in her body. They on her body. Now, in fact, this whole matter, it tire me. As I hear them, now I make her bring her, making herself hear what they happen. As the matter be, making her not forget to comment on what I think about this whole matter. Making her not forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel. I will see you on for the next video.